Daily math review number 1. What is the distance between the post office and the market? All right, so the post office and the market. Let's see. Here's our post office. Whoop. And here's our market. All right, let's find the distance. So in between we have 1 space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. All right, what's the distance from the post office to City Hall? So the post office to City Hall, let's see, here's the post office again. Here's City Hall. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 units. All right, last but not least, what is the distance between the school and the park? Here's the school, here's the park. Ooh, kind of off center. All right, let's do blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 units. Make sure you guys are counting these spaces. I see a lot of us just counting the ones in the middle. Which that is correct, but we need to make sure that we're counting these ones as well. Because from the school is right here. Just because that symbol goes out a little bit doesn't mean that it takes over 2 of those coordinates. So we do need to count this space from here to here and from here to here. And that's going to be it for DMR number 1. Great job.